Hey guys, it's me, Caleb, and today we are gonna look for some ducks.
You think how many ducks you think you're gonna find?
One.
One? All right, and we've got a special guest. Caleb's grandma. She's gonna come help Caleb look for ducks.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
All right, okay, here we go.
Guys, make sure to stay till the end and maybe I'll show you the ocean.
Here we go.
Maybe we'll see some sharks.
You gonna go play on that? Yeah. All right, let's find some ducks. Come here. Come over here and look. Can you reach?
Yeah.
Can you reach it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, somebody was tall. I don't know even know if I can get that.
No.
First duck. Let me see it. Okay. All right, let's keep going. Remember, you go on one side, not go on the other. Nope, I don't see any up there. All right, let's keep going. Going to Central Park. Remember we found a bunch there last time. At Central Park? All right, I'm following you.
Wait. No. I'm gonna hide one.
You're gonna hide one in Central Park? I gotta do a good spot.
I'm gonna hide one in Central Park.
Okay. Wait. See it in there?
Should I put one?
Okay. Remember we found a bunch last time. In here.
Hey, hand passing. Hey, hand corner.
All right, keep looking because they do little tiny ones too.
I know. I found
Those are kind of hard to find. Okay, we're in Central Park looking for. Oh, a real bird. Whoa.
See it?
That was neat. Whoa. Look,
I don't see it.
you have a twin. That's so high. Oh. Oh.
Looks like a St. Patrick's Day.
Let me see. Oh, it's a St. Patrick's Day one. Let me see.
Oh, St. Patrick's Day.
Hey.
I spotted
All right,
that one.
you got two now. Now you got to spot the next one, Caleb. What? Oh my gosh. Better get it. What? Let me see. Oh, he's got ears. That's funny. All right. Oh. Okay, I'm following you. Let me see. What's a purple one? Oh my goodness, you better hurry and look before they all go. Wow. Man, you got the lucky spot. Did you find another one? Oh my goodness. Hey, come here. I think those guys are hiding them. Go show Grandma.
Oh, wow. Man.
You found all kinds.
I didn't want.
Nothing? Is there anything in there? Are you sure? I thought I saw him put something over here.
Maybe they put it behind us.
Okay, maybe they didn't. All right, you got so many. Let's go. Oh, that looked like one, didn't it? A purple one. So don't mess with the plants that much.
I
Ooh.
want to go to the robotic parlay.
Look, because it's St. Patrick's Day.
It's a little
Oh,
one.
Caleb found. Where'd you find it at?
In the flower pot.
I told you to look. And I looked in there and I didn't see it. So, good
No,
job.
it wasn't in this one.
Song number 6.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, Aubrey's gonna be so jealous. That is cool. All right, keep looking. Man, that's a good one. Okay, we got back to our room and we have a cute bunny. Anything else?
I found a duck.
Anything else special in here? Okay. Caleb's been practicing, guys. Wow! He got really good. Oh my goodness, you were so bad when it started. that song? Wow.
Oh my
Is that an
goodness.
egg? Oh my gosh, Caleb. Caleb, open it up. Wait, you said to wait. You said to wait. You've got a dinosaur egg. Good.
But this is harder than the world of chocolate, so we're trying.
Oh, look at that.
There you go.
The dragon.
Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
the dragon is there.
Oh,
Do
yum.
enjoy it.
Thank you so much. Bye, Caleb. Caleb's about to go brave the water slide.
Go watch me right there.
Okay, I'm gonna come down here. All right, good luck. Oh, careful. All right, Caleb. Caleb! Hey! Look how pretty it is. There you go,